Do you have a pet? Well, I sure do. His name is Spotty. Spotty is a dog. I call him Spotty because he has a lot of spots on his body. Pets are animals that we keep around us as our friends. There are common animals that you must have seen around, haven't you? Some of these animals live close to us, while some of them are very dangerous and do not live close to us. You must have also noticed that these common animals are different from one another. Some of them walk on all fours, like dogs, cats, elephants, giraffes, lions, donkeys, horses, and many others. Some others just have 2 feet, like poultry birds, such as chickens and turkeys, and also birds like ostriches, pigeons, doves, and many more. Some others do not even have legs at all, like snakes and snails that crawl. Others have fins instead of legs, like fishes. Some animals have claws, like eagles, cats, and lions. Some have teeth, like goats and sheep, while some have beaks, like birds. Some have tails, like lizards, lions, cats, cows, and so on. And some have shells, like snails, turtles, and crabs. Some have webbed feet, like ducks and geese, while some have hoofs, like cattle and horses. You see, my friend, animals are very different. In the next lesson, we will look at the uses of animals to us. Have a wonderful day. Bye.